Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change your name in Zoom. So for that, open the Zoom application. Once you are logged in into the Zoom, what you need to do is tap on more on the bottom right. Tap that. Once you're at this page, you need to tap on your profile name on the very top. Tap that. And on this page, you need to tap on the display name. Tap that option. Now here you will be able to change your first name, last name and the display name. That is the name that will be shown in your Zoom account. So tap that, tap on the cross. Now you provide a different name for your account. On the last name, after that you tap on the display name and cross it out. Now you type in the display name that you want to be seen or people want to call you out in Zoom. So now here you type in the display name for your Zoom account. Once all the changes have been made, you need to tap on save on the top right corner. Tap that. And just with that, the display name will be changed to the current update that you have just made on your Zoom account. So this is how you can change your name in Zoom. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.